Hi buddies, welcome back. It's Anne-Sophie and today I'm going to show you how you can set up a fingerprint to unlock your Huawei Mate X3. For that, you want to go to your settings, go to biometrics and password and then say fingerprint ID. And now we need to put in our PIN to verify that it's us. And now we can say what we want our fingerprint to use for. So unlock device, access safe, access app lock, or autofill usernames and password. You can decide one or just say new fingerprint. Slide in circle, no need to lift your finger, simply place your finger on the fingerprint sensor and then slide in a circle. Alright, the fingerprint sensor is here and we'll do that now. Alright, really easy. Enrollment successful, fingerprint 1 added. We can rename it here or say OK. Set up face recognition, not now. And if we lock our phone and we'll open it, then we can put our thumb here and then we're back in the phone. We can do the same if the phone is, well, closed. Lock it and then unlock it here. So that's how you can use your fingerprint to unlock your Huawei Mate X3. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.